Hello everyone, so today I'm going to do my first ever BarkBox unboxing, and I'm really excited because it is related to Home Alone, one of my favorite movies ever, and my favorite Christmas movie, both 1 and 2 obviously. And I have a dog in case you didn't know. It's a Shiba Inu, and he's here below the frame, can't really see him, I don't have too much space, so you know, this is what we have to work with. Hopefully you can see him later. Here's his tail. Okay, let's see how he likes the BarkBox as well. This is the box that it came in, the outside BarkBox. There you go. You open it, Home Alone. Ah! I'm excited. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I've never bought a subscription box from a dog before, but when I saw it was Home Alone, I was like, I saw the ad on Instagram, just like, I have to get it because I love Home Alone. And who knows when this was gonna happen again. Okay, so there's a little cartoon that says the best part is free refills, so it's a little cartoon in there. So I took it out, but it was kind of falling apart. The sides here, it's kind of flimsy, so you see some stuff in there. Excited for the stuff. So this is kind of, yeah, flimsy, so let's open it up. Oh my gosh, let's see what it says. Share your Home Alone caper. What's the craziest thing your dog has ever done when they're home alone? Share your aftermath with hashtag basically BarkBox Day. So telling you here to share BarkBox Home Alone ARF. Celebrate the 30th anniversary of Home Alone with a lovely BarkBox just for your pup. 30th anniversary? Wow. I'm 34 in case you didn't know. Gonna be 35 soon. Crazy! I didn't know the movie was that old. Your dog might be an expert at being home alone, but their favorite time of day is whenever you're together. So break out the battle plans and watch for swinging paint cans. It's time to play. Yes! Oh my god. Things are falling. So everything fell out of the box. I was trying to hold it up nicely. And then just a little welcome message here. It's tailored for you. A new adventure in every box. Are you thirsty for more? Email, text, website, just some other safety tips here. And oh my god, look at this. Battle plan. The map. This is by Kevin McAllister. But this is more, I think, for, you know, the dog. You know, his battle plan. It says chewed up heels, rose bushes, tennis balls. Yeah, my dog loves tennis balls. Torn up toilet paper, poop here, here, and here. Shred couch fluff. I think they're missing a pee puddle. That's what it's one that's missing. And on the box here it says, oh cool, it says happy holidays, you filthy animal. I love it. Love it. I love on here it has those shadows, you know, kind of like in the movie when Kevin was trying to make the burglars know that, let them think that there's people, but here the shadows, silhouettes, sorry, are of dogs. So cool. Ryuzaki, my dog, is not really reacting right now. He's just like laying on the floor. Let's check out the treats. First one is hardened candy duck stick. Duck recipe dog chew. And then it says keep the chew, you filthy animal. Keep the chew, you filthy animal. Duck stick. He's liking the smell. Good. We got a hairy doll. It's a chew toy, but am I gonna let Ryuzaki chew a toy from Home Alone? Probably not. This one I'm probably gonna keep for me because I love the movie. When am I gonna get a freaking hairy Home Alone doll again? Probably never. So Ryuzaki can smell it, but I don't know if he's gonna get it. He's licking it. So the tag says here, Harry, behind the squeak. It gives you information on what it has. Squeaker and Crazy Crinkle. Here's Harry. Harry, Harry. Crinkle, crinkle, and the... See? Of course, we gotta have Marv too with the freaking tarantula. I noticed there's a lot of screaming in Home Alone. Here's Marv, and it also says Squeaker, Squeaker and Crazy Crinkle as well. Crinkle in the legs. Probably not gonna let my dog chew this. Also, my dog chews up toys so quickly. So quickly. Like, they'd be gone in 10 minutes. So that's why I also don't want to give it to him. I'll give him the other treats, but come on. So there you go. This Harry and Marv. Ah! I love that the tarantula's on his face. Next, we got Marv duck recipe dog treats. So more duck. It's gonna be interesting, and I don't think Riyazaki's ever tried duck treats. So Marv duck. Boom. Ryuzaki, smells. Does this appeal to you? You smelling it? He's smelling it, Uncle Boy. Mwah. Some other treats we have. Porka King of the Midwest pork recipe dog treat. So now I have some pork. Poka Poka, Poka Poka. Rest in peace, John Candy. Instead of Poka, it's Porka. A lovely bag of dog treats just for me. I love how they have Home Alone quotes on the treats. That's awesome. A lovely bag of dog treats just for me. Yes. Ryuzaki. I'm letting him smell it. He's curious about it. Not really jumping for this one, but you know, probably can't smell it that well. Next we have, just some warnings here. It says treats and chews in this box were produced in facilities that may process wheat, grain, corn, or soy. So I got 2 of them. Now you can see it right here. So that's what that says. Okay, so I guess that's it. I think there was different sizes of the boxes. I got probably kind of like the smallest size, so I think if you got the larger ones, you got more treats. But this is pretty good. It's Home Alone. It's gonna be Ryuzaki's Christmas gifts. Yeah, that's it. That's what I got in my basic one. I don't know if it's actually called basic, but that's what I'm calling it. There's also this booklet here, How to BarkBox, that basically shows you, I guess, the process. If you want to subscribe. You like it? Ryuzaki's gonna try the duck treat. Like it? Likes it. Hey, Ryuzaki! He likes it a little too much. That's good. That's good. Sit. You get one if you sit. Good. Good. Boys that sit get a treat. Good. Good. Can you lay down? Down. Good boy. Now he's gonna get one of these. No. Here. Good. Okay, that's good enough. You already had 3. Good boy. You like it? You like it, my good boy? You like your Home Alone treats. Right, that it's the best Christmas movie ever? He likes Marv. That's good. Zaki? No. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to this channel for some wine tasting, more unboxing of subscription boxes of treats and food from all over the world, because right now we can't really travel, sadly, and that's kind of my way of maybe doing some traveling, is trying food from all over the world. So I'm excited to get those boxes and show them to you and see which one, you know, which subscription box might work for you. So yeah, stay tuned. Let me know if you like this video, comments, whatever. I want to hear from you. Like the video, all that stuff, just to help out this really tiny channel and the algorithm. Bye!